What does it mean to be a sponsor for immigration purposes? A sponsor for a green card applicant is a U.S. citizen or green card holder who files a petition for an immigrant to become a permanent resident. In case the petitioner does not meet the income requirements to be the sole sponsor, a joint sponsor, any other U.S. citizen or green card holder who meets the income requirements may be added. Generally, to qualify as a sponsor for a green card applicant in most states, you must earn a minimum of 125% of the so-called federal poverty guidelines, which are published annually on the U.S.A.'s website, www.uscis.gov. To determine which amount applies to your situation, you need to know the sponsor's household site. People included in the sponsor's household, as defined by immigration law, are all people who are financially dependent on the sponsor, even if they don't live under the same roof, plus all immigrants sponsored by the sponsor. As proof of earnings, you must provide your tax return from the previous year with all attachments, along with evidence that your employment is still ongoing and you are still presently receiving the required income. In case of insufficient earnings, you can supplement your petition with assets in the amount calculated according to a special formula used by the U.S.CIS, or obtain a joint sponsor. The joint sponsor must be a U.S. citizen or a green card holder and must sign an appropriate immigration form, which is a contract with the U.S. government that the joint sponsor, agrees to support the immigrant with their own resources should the need arise. In the event of breach of contractual obligations, the sponsor or joint sponsor may be sued by the United States government or by a sponsored immigrant to compel him or her to perform the contract. The obligation to provide for an immigrant usually lasts until the immigrant has either worked and paid Social Security contributions for 40 quarters, the equivalent of 10 years of work, becomes a U.S. citizen, or dies. Signing an immigrant sponsorship contract is therefore not without risk. To learn more about sponsorship for a green card, I recommend that you consult an experienced immigration attorney. This information is provided for educational purposes only and does not constitute or replace legal advice. I am attorney Agnieszka Piasecka. I was born in Poland, immigrated to the United States, obtained my green card, then my United States citizenship. I have experienced the United States immigration process firsthand, and I have the knowledge and experience to assist you in obtaining your green card and United States citizenship. I speak English, Spanish, Polish, and Italian. I can help you with your immigration process and accompany you to your U.S. citizenship and green card interview. For immigration assistance in Colorado, please call 303-475-7212. For immigration assistance in New Mexico, please call 505-603-0079. For immigration assistance in Florida, please call 727-538-4171.